So when you get your trolling motor bracket, you will have to do some modifications in the holes, because I don't know if y'all can see from there, but the top holes do line up, but your bottom holes do not. And I am using 1/4-20s to bolt these together. So the top holes are a little smaller from the paint, so you will have to re-drill those out. Once you get your top holes drilled out to a 1/4-inch drill bit, take your backing plate and then take the plate that does not have the holes reamed out, that will go on the inside. Grab your bolt, put it through there, second one, and put it onto your plate. And then take the side with the holes reamed out, put them facing outwards. And in most cases, you will have to take a de-burring bit and just give it a little bit more. That way your nut can sit down in there. Go ahead and thread those on and then get it just snug enough to where it'll hold itself. Now that your top holes are lined up, now you can look and see that your bottom holes are not lined up, so you will have to drill those out. Just take your 1/4-inch drill bit, start out slow so that way you don't mess up the plastic piece. And once you get it started enough to where that drill bit's not moving around in there, just take your time, go slow, and drill all the way through. There you go, first hole drilled. Now on to the second. Now that you got both holes drilled, you can unbolt these and take the plastic off. Now you can go back in, put your bolts back through the top, and make sure you ream those bottom holes out with your de-burring bit again, just barely. And when you go to tighten everything down, make sure this nut does not spin. That way it can suck into that plastic and hold itself into that plastic. And eventually you'll get to a point where you can no longer get a bite on that nut, and it should be sucked in enough to where you can just tighten it and it holds itself. And there you go. Here's your finished product up close. And the size bolts I'm using are 1-inch long 1/4-20s.